Welcome back. In this, we are going to learn how to log in inside the pod, how to check the logs. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a pod first. So kubectl run, then we need to provide the name of the pod which we need to create. So my image dot, let me give Apache. And then we need to provide the image and from where my image is coming. My image is coming from the Docker Hub. So let me log into the Docker. And in the Docker, I need Apache image. So here is the one. This is I can use HTTP. And if we need to provide any tag, we can also provide that. So here are the tags. If I need to provide any of the tag, and if I'm not going to provide any of the tag, it is going to pick up the latest one. Now my pod is created. So let me check with kubectl get pod. Yes, my pod is created. Now what I need to do is I need to log in inside the pod. So how I can do that? So for that, the command is kubectl exec -it. I means interactive, T means database session. And then we need to provide the name on which pod I need to log in. So this is the name of the pod. And after that, we need to provide bin bash. Here I logged into my pod. Now let's see where is my HTTPD file or index.html file. So for that, let me go to the official documentation of this. This is the official documentation which is on the Docker Hub. And if I'm going to scroll down, okay, this is the path where I have my index.html. So let me copy this one. And cd, do the ls. Yes, I have the index.html page here. And let me do a cat for the index.html. It worked. It says it worked. Let me come out of this and let me check it from here. Are we getting the same response here or not? So kubectl get pod -so wide option I need to use in order to get the IP of the pod. So this is the IP. Let me go with curl HTTP. Yes, I'm getting it work. Great. Now let's suppose my requirement is to update this page, which is HTTPD page. So how I can do that? So let me log in. Now here, okay, cd htdocs ls index.html. Okay, currently I'm inside the container, or rather I would say I'm inside the pod. Let me use the vi index.html. So here it says vi is not installed on this container. Okay, let me use the nano. Okay, nano is also not installed. So I need to install those things first. So in order to install, first I need to check what is the OS version of this. And for that, the command is cat etc OS release. And this one is Debian. Okay, fine. So I can use the apt command in order to install the Vim editor. Apt get update. This is the first command which I need to run. After that, apt get install Vim. Yes, I need to install this thing. Okay, vi editor is installed. So let me open the index.html with vi. Now let me insert and let me update this thing. And then we will see whether it is working or not. Updated. Okay, let me save this thing. Done. Let me do the cat. Yes, this is updated. Let me come out of this. Let me go with the same command kubectl get pod and then minus o wide option in order to get the IP address. This is the IP address. Curl HTTP. Yes, I'm getting the result. Okay, great. We have other commands as well which you can use. Let's suppose I want to see all the environment value. Okay, so with this command, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in inside this, correct? See, this is the root and currently I'm in this container and I can do the environment and it is going to give me the environment values. Now let's suppose I don't want to log in here. Okay, I want to see this environment value from outside. So what I can do is kubectl exec -it. Same command I need to use, then we need to provide the name and then we can give environment. See, I'm getting the environment value. I can go with like ls. See, I'm getting all the results as well. I can also do cat if I want to do the cat. So this is the path. Or let me go here. What is the path? This is the path. Index.html. Yes, I'm getting the reply. Great. Now I need to see the logs of my pod. So how to see the logs of the pod? For that, kubectl get pod. Here I'm getting the detail of all the pod which are in running state. So let's suppose I want to see the logs of this pod. So the command is kubectl get logs or kubectl logs, and then we need to provide the name my image Apache. I'm getting the log. Even I can get the real-time streaming logs as well. What we need to do is we just need to add -f here. Now this is the real-time logs which I'm getting. We come out of this. This is how you can log in inside the pod and check the logs as well.